Hello, welcome back. Today I would like to introduce a new OpenAI platform feature which is Agent Builder. Let's see how we can integrate with our site and configure. First, let's create here in the workflow. I just added this start and my agent. In my agent section, we can add any instruction here and make the model, select the model, then we can publish. Let's see. For example, I have added this. You can add multiple, then you can publish it here as a new. It is already published. Now you can add this with your domain by adding your site domain, and you can use the workflow id from here. Okay, also it has SDK support. You can use by SDK. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.